Mosuru nyakwaro Ramogi wadonje mutende kod weche mag ohala. Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto koro jiwo rowere mag Afrika mondo obedi opara manyime e mako motegno lony manyasani kaka yor timo lokruok ne pinje mag Afrika. Ruto loso kano yawo romo makende mar tudruok e kind pinje Afrika midendo ni Connected Africa Summit higa mar 2024. Ruto wacho ni Afrika pod nitie chien korka dongruok mar teko lony manyasani. Owacho ni nyalo nitie lwet rowere mar kelo lokruok kendo jiwo dongruok mag teko mbui, teknolojia kod lony manyasani kanyakla.
The Dr. governments in the achievement.
And I am excited to be here for this, I think,
plan. Imagine navigating the fields.
We have commenced the process of reviewing our building codes to ensure all new buildings are fiber optic ready. These initiatives underscore Kenya's dedication to deliver sustainable, universal digital access. From wherever you came from, you no longer need a visa to visit Kenya.
we are working closely together to make sure that data can flow safely between Kenya and the European Union, as well as between Kenya and its partners.
I think it is important that as Africa, we make sure that we are running fast enough not to be left behind. We cannot continue playing catch-up.
We therefore need to break the shackles and barriers that we have within Africa so that we have got policies, laws, and regulations that speak to each other.
In the 21st century, farming is not just farming, it's ag tech. Medicine is not just medicine, it's med tech. Finance is not just finance, it's fintech. And fashion is not just fashion, it's fashion tech.